As an advisor, you've probably heard of the concept of the one-page financial plan. So I'm going to show you how you can use the latest AI tools to build your own one-page financial plan template so you can use it however you see fit in your firm. The one-page financial plan is a great way to condense down really the most important information and make it very actionable for the client. To build one, nowadays, you could use generic tools like Claude or ChatGPT. You just got to be really careful about the security and data processing around those. You really need an enterprise-ready solution, and that can get expensive, especially when a lot of advisors are using it. The tool we're actually going to demo in this example is called Prezentd. You can find them on Prezentd.com here. It's a more secure and easier and honestly cheaper way to do this. Also in this demo, I'm going to be using another tool called Wispr Flow. It just literally helps you speak to text, basically some of the prompting. It makes it go a little bit quicker and you're able to do better prompts. This is kind of a side recommendation for this video, but Wispr Flow is a great tool, especially now in the AI age where everybody's prompting these AI tools. So once you sign up for Prezentd, you're going to have to go through kind of their demo onboarding so you can learn just the basics of how to use the agent. After you do that though, you'll be able to go to the Builder Agent page here and we'll be able to start building this one-page plan. So we're going to click the Start from Scratch mode here and we're going to simply fill these in. And you're going to see me use that Wispr tool to basically speak to text the prompts here. So I've already kind of pre-filled this, but we'll do one-page financial plan. Once you do that, you'll get through all the questions and then you can start the build. That's going to take you to a workspace page where the agent is going to ask you just a couple more follow-up questions to get a better idea of how to build this for you. It's going to ask you just some styling questions as well. So for this one, I think we're going to go with probably the editorial and see what it has after that. Okay, so now it's going to study everything, make really good informed decisions on how to build this, and then it's going to build the initial version. When that's done, we'll come back and show you how you can fine tune it and save it and then reuse it later on. Okay, the initial draft is done, and honestly, this looks pretty good so far. I'm actually going to expand it and see what happens. Okay, yeah, this is really good. This is concise, extremely easy to follow. There's recommended next steps, top priorities. Yeah. So I'm actually, this honestly got it first try. So what we can do now is save it. So we're gonna hit save. All right, after everything is all saved up, we're gonna be on the page where we can view the template we just built. So there's a few things around some segment context where it will basically make a profile around that client segment. You can put a disclosure specifically for this template, which obviously you probably need that for some compliance reasons. And this is where we can start making new versions. So there are a couple ways to do that. You just click the new version button. Okay, you can actually fill these out a couple different ways. Like I mentioned, you can do them manually or you can upload context, which simply just means PDFs, notes, spreadsheets, even if you have like a standard paraplanning flow. Maybe you take it from your discovery meeting or you put stuff in from Money Guide Pro, whatever software you're using. You can all just crank them out like this by uploading the context here and it'll fill in the financial plan just like that. Or you can fill it out manually. I'll kind of briefly show you how that works. If you have a more ambiguous situation where you don't always have the context needed to fill these out every time, you can always just do it manually. And that's why that speak to text tool, that Wispr Flow here up at the top is really useful for something like this because you can simply just speak out much faster than you can type and still crank these out pretty quickly. You'll save it, it'll update the context, learn about the client a little bit more, and then you can go from there. Another really cool thing about these templates is they typically give you a presentation link once you fill them out and you build a version for a client. I can't show you that in this video, but that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. And if you want to try this out for yourself, go ahead and try this tool. It's Prezentd.com. They have a 2-week free trial, super easy to get set up, and you can start building your own one-page financial plans and anything else you want to build, honestly.